What's up guys, welcome back to Tech Phantom. And it seems like the wait for the Oneplus 9RT is finally over as the phone is launching this month only. We have its official launch date and it has been teased by the company officially, and not only that, the Geekbench score of the is also being shared with the smartphone. Now we have also covered all the specifications about the smartphone, so if you are new here then consider subscribing to our channel Tech Phantom. Let's get started. Now at the beginning, we have the specification leaked on the Weibo, which is the China's Twitter, and here are every detail which you need to know about this smartphone right now. Starting off with the display, it will be coming with a 6.5 inch of a Full HD plus 120Hz of AMOLED panel, and it will be featuring a punch hole selfie camera on the left side of this phone. Not only that, the Snapdragon 888 will be present in the smartphone instead of a Snapdragon 870 from the Oneplus 9R. Now it is again an upgrade, but it's still powered with the Oneplus 9. And it's yet to be seen that whether the pricing of this phone will be alongside the Oneplus 9 or between the Oneplus 9 and the 9RT. Now talking about the cameras, then on the back side we'll be having a quad camera setup with a primary camera of 50 megapixel Sony IMX766 camera, which has also been seen on the Oneplus 9 Pro and the 9. On the battery capacity side, a 4500 milliamp battery will be seen with the 65 watt of fast charging on the smartphone. Now though the phone will be running on the Android 11 out of the box, but Android 11 will be based on the coloros 12. Yes, you heard it right, this will be almost an official smartphone with launching with the coloros 12 out of the box right now. And not only that, the base storage of 6GB of RAM will be gone instead of an 8 plus 128 and 12 plus 256GB of storages. Now according to this leaked specifications about this smartphone, it will also not be having a curved display. So the price of this phone is to be expected to be around of 45 to 46,000 rupees in India. Now speaking of the launch date, then the Oneplus 9RT is being expected to be launched on 15th of October, which has also been revealed in the teasers, and you can also check them out too. Now this launch event will be held in China at 7:30 PM at local time, and the company has also promoted a GIF image for the Oneplus 9RT. Not only that, the Geekbench scores of the Oneplus 9RT has also been caught on the database, and you can also check that out in the description below. And if you like this video, then do not forget to subscribe to our channel Tech Phantom and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching.